We're gonna go and do a spring cleanup above the backyard. Customer just wants some leaves, pine needles, pine cones raked, picked up, and just thrown back at the fence over there. Alright, back here we're gonna do a backyard cleanup of these pine needles and pine cones and leaves. Customer says just throw them in the back of the fence over there, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, hope you enjoy.
AllCoastLawncare.
So my tripod's broke again, so my camera's holding by a zip tie, so excuse the footage. Alright, so I'm gonna use a tarp to rake the debris on. I got this from Blades of Grass, from Johnny. He's a Lawncare YouTuber. So I learned a lot from him. So hey, you're watching, thank you, Johnny. I'm done. So I use the Echo PB580 T blower. Sit right there. All right, so if you're gonna do jobs like this, you want a backpack blower. Okay, if you try to use a handheld, your arms are just gonna get tired. All right, that's what I recommend. All right, a backpack blower for these jobs like this. So I did lose a bungee cord on that first pile. It was a heavy pile, so I used 2 bungee cords to take over the fence. So it was underneath the pile, so I just left it there. All right, time's money, and I was like wasting time looking for the bungee cord. But hey, tell me what you think. I'll leave a comment. All right, hit like, subscribe to this channel. I hope the channel get out to other viewers, especially like learning how to do lawn care tips, advice. All right, leave advice, leave tips in the comments. All right, I told her she wanted me to take the debris, but she didn't want to. She just said dump it over the fence. So I mean, it would have cost more to you know what I mean, like take the debris in my trailer, but I'm just probably trying to save money, so she just told me to take it over the fence. I was gonna mulch it with a 0 turn, getting like leftover pine needles or leaves. You just mulch them, but she told me she wanted to mow it herself. She's an old woman, so she likes to exercise, so she said don't mow it, she'll mow it. Other than that, y'all, hope you like this video. Hey, Johnny from Blades of Grass, thank you for the tip on using the tarp. Other than that, y'all, God bless, and see you on the next video. Bye.